Anno Domini on the beat. Only way I'ma change is if it's in my discretion. I've been the same way since I was an adolescent. The past and present is content for my active message, so that the future generations get my last impression. But they won't even last a second trying to make me shift from my equilibrium position. I'ma make them trip up. But only haters get stuck in trying to fake a slip up. And if you thinking I'ma change, then you got mixed up. My ways are set in stone to any metronome. My lyrics set the tone coming from my flesh and bone. Listen as I write them like you heard a poem. Hoping I'ma change it up, looks like you got the message wrong. That means your guess is wrong, so quit estimating. The mess you're saying is defecation, your breath is stinking. Test my patience and I'll elevate your expectations. I feel amazing, you better believe I'm never changing. You can't make me change my ways, cause I'ma never change. You can't make me change my ways, I'll always be the same. You can't make me change my ways, I gotta maintain. You ain't never gonna make me change, make me change.
I'm stuck in my ways, that means I won't change. Even as a kid, I went off and did my own thing. Shit, my friends were paying rent, I wanted to own things. When talking Monopoly, it was no game. I don't slang cocaine, don't even got a gold chain, but I get that money like it's no thing. Tell me what to do, I do the opposite. Can't put me in a box because my thoughts are far on top of it. Rap is counterfeit, I'm zoning cause I'm out of it. The only way to take me out my spot is if somehow I quit. Yeah, right. I doubt that shit'll happen cause I'm about to get recognition for the records I'm about to spit. Yeah. Stop telling me you're helping me, you're changing me. It pays to be original, so please just get away from me. Chill out, I need space to breathe so I can chase my dreams. Basically the way I am today's the way I'll be.
You can't make me change my ways, cause I'ma never change. You can't make me change my ways, I'll always be the same. You can't make me change my ways, I gotta maintain. You ain't never gonna make me change, make me change. Never confirmed, to conform to conformity, because my same ways come with a never-ending warranty. Population control, trying to keep things orderly, but I won't fall victim to the system even if they corner me. Now you can sort of see some of the damage done. Feel that I'm born to be, so let me be a champion. It's like one for all, but can't we all stand as one? I can make a change, but the way I am, damn it's fun. Excessive input is just irrelevant and useless, so as I pick my pen up, I can only give the truest. My words are never tainted, because I'm meant to do this. Little opinions and fluctuation are incongruent. Can't reshape my mind state or the way I tick. Nope, keep everything legit, so every track I make is sick. Some people hate a bit, but never have I gave a shit. You can try to change me or change the world, you take your pick. You can't make me change my ways, cause I'ma never change. You can't make me change my ways, I'll always be the same. You can't make me change my ways, I gotta maintain. You ain't never gonna make me change, make me change.